Hello, this is Sarah Khan, and we're at lesson 2 of Unit 3 where we live. In this lesson, we are going to learn how and when to use has got and hasn't got. It's related to grammar and it's going to be interesting. So let's begin. Let's start with taking a look at the town here. You can see there are so many places, right? Can you name a few? Well, I can see that the town has got school, restaurant, fire station. Can you see and name something else? Can you find any places that are not in this town? For example, I can see that the town hasn't got hospital, swimming pool, and train station. It doesn't have those. So keep thinking, list the things that you can see in this town and the things and places that you cannot see in this town. And then let's move on to the next slide. Here is another town for you. It's called Top Town, and you can see there are cinema, school, train station, park. You have to take a close look for the exercise that is about to come. Now that you have looked at the Top Town closely, there are two questions for you to answer. The first question is, has Top Town got a cinema? Yes, it has, or no, it hasn't. What do you think? The second question is, has Top Town got a cafe? Yes, it has. No, it hasn't. So the questions are going to be under this video for you to solve. So pause this video, solve it before you move on to the next slide to find answers. Good luck. Now let's see how you did. There are both questions here. The first question was, has Top Town got a cinema? What did you answer? Hopefully you answered yes, it has. It does have a cinema. You could see that in the picture, right? And the second question is, has Top Town got a cafe? No, it hasn't. So I hope you now understand what we mean when we say has got and hasn't got. Let's move on. It's time for you to listen to how to say these sentences. There are going to be two questions and two answers in the next audio that I'll play for you. Here are the questions. Let's listen to the audio now.
Listen and say.
Has your town got a swimming pool?
Yes, it has.
Has your town got a train station?
No, it hasn't.
So you heard how to ask questions about has got and hasn't got, right? I will ask you a question too. Has your town got a library? How are you going to answer it? Yes, it has, or no, it hasn't. Here is another exercise for you to practice this further. You have to imagine a town, okay? Name it if you want, and then list 5 things that your town has. For example, I've written here, my town has got a masjid, it has got a cricket stadium, my town has got a graveyard too. Now I have these things with me, and then I'll ask a friend to ask me, just like here. My friend can ask me, has your town got a cricket stadium? And then I will say, yes, it's got a cricket stadium. Or my friend can ask, has your town got a cafe? And I'll respond, no, it hasn't. Similarly, you have to do this exercise with a friend. You have to take turns as well. Good luck and enjoy. Alright, it is time to check your understanding. It is just like the exercise you did before where you looked at Top Town and then answered questions about whether Top Town has restaurant, cafe, etc. Right? So you have another picture of a town here and you will have to answer questions about this town under this video. As you can see, this town has a train station, it has a cafe, it has shops and hospitals. There are roads as well, right? So it's going to be easy for you. Good luck. This exercise right here is about writing about your town. Okay, you have to tell the places your town has and the places it doesn't have. Here is an example for you. My town has got a park, a hospital, and a swimming pool. Okay, things that my town has. Now, it hasn't got a cinema. Okay, similarly, you have to write few lines about your town as well. Good luck, and this is the end of lesson 2. I'll see you soon.